Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. You guys are watching the Psychic Jyoti. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Sagittarius for November. So we are going to see the present energy and what's coming for you guys in month of November. So watch this video if you're a Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement or just go watch Netflix, do something else with your life. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, where I keep on sharing information about law of attraction, manifestation, spells, crystals, healing crystals, and all of that, then you can just follow my Instagram. The link is in the description. Give me a follow there. Now let's see messages for Sagittarius. What is up with you guys? Let's see. Give me the present energy for Sagittarius, please. Oh, Seven of Swords. What the hell is happening? Some of you are dealing with the Taurus. I think Taurus got the same card in the same position. Some of you might be dealing with a Taurus. If not, I just feel that there is somebody who's not giving you the clarity that you want from this person. Somebody has been going in circles with you, right? So this person is neither giving you clarity nor they are telling you to leave, neither they are asking you to stay. So it's a very confusing situation that is happening with this person. Every time you want to have a discussion, they just ghost you and they don't tell you what is up with them. And now this kind of situation is kind of frustrating you, all right? Some of you also feel that in a career situation, you expected a lot, but things are not happening, and now you feel like you have to compromise in a certain situation. So maybe you were hoping that you will get a job in a certain company, but now things are not happening as per how you wanted them, and now maybe you have to settle for something else. So you might be feeling a little compromised. You feel like you have to make some adjustments, some compromises are needed from your side. So that's the kind of situation in the present. What is happening? Five of Wands. Yeah, your peace of mind is quite disturbed is what I see. There's like unnecessary chaos happening in your life. Some of you, this person was just ghosting you because a lot of people got involved. So maybe their family got involved, maybe their ex got involved, or I don't know what happened. Like the situation pretty much became like a fish market in your life. Your life has become a fish market lately is what I feel. And unnecessary noise, unnecessary opinions, unnecessary people coming into your life and telling you what you should not, and like this is a weird situation that you are in the present moment. Some of you also feel like there's like unnecessary drama happening in your life where you have to constantly prove or you have to constantly battle through situation. Quite a frustrating situation is what I feel. What's up, Sagittarius? I really empathize with you. You guys are going through a lot presently. Okay, give me the future energy for Sagittarius moving into the month of November. October scene. Yeah, you really definitely need some rest. That's exactly after going through so much, you definitely need rest. Sagittarius, some of you, it's time that you need to take a break from the situation. Like you have been trying to fight battles, you have been trying to prove yourself, you've been trying to do whatever you could, and now when you see things are not working, maybe it's time to just take a break, step back. And sometimes the best thing that you could do is to not do anything, and that's exactly this energy. So in the month of November, try to isolate yourself from unnecessary drama. If you know somebody creates unnecessary chaos in your life, cut this person out, take a break. All right, nobody is worth your peace of mind. Some of you, I feel, in the month of November, your peace of mind is going to be a priority. It's like you are going to recognize that you have wasted a lot of time and energy and efforts on people, and now you will not be doing it. So you're kind of becoming conscious about your self-worth, your self-importance, and you're just trying to pay attention to your own self. Some of you also might need to go to hospital for a checkup. So if you have been ignoring symptoms, so maybe you need to go to doctor. What else? Five of Pentacles. I would also suggest you to take care of your money because there could be a loss that's happening. Some of you really need to take care of your health because of whatever chaos that has happened recently. It's taking a toll on your mental health, your physical health, and if you are experiencing symptoms, head to the doctors, all right? That's the best thing that you can do for yourself. I also feel that you wanted situation to go in a certain way, like you were hoping that somebody is going to be your soulmate and the very person has left you out in the cold without any support, and this is something which is bothering you a lot. Like you're not able to forget the situation that somebody did this to you. Lately, a lot of unnecessary drama has been happening into your life, is what I feel, and the best thing that you could do is to take a step back and relax. Like there's a lot of strain on your mind, is what I feel. What's the advice for Sagittarius? Two of Swords. Make a decision. Like you have been prolonging a decision for some time. Like you very well know that you have to make a decision, cut this toxic person out of your life or walk out of this toxicity. But you know, sometimes when we are emotionally invested, we know situation is toxic, but we still try to stay there because we feel that if I will try to move on, it's going to hurt me. Some of you, finally you are about to make a decision and you will be forced to make a decision. So whatever decision that you have been prolonging for such a long time, and in result of that you have been experiencing so much of trauma or whatever, I see finally in the month of November, being Scorpio season, is going to be a season of releasing and transformation. So I see that you will be forced to make a decision. Some of you also have to choose between two people, so that can happen. All right, so whatever has been hanging in there and whatever has been stagnating your life is going to finally be released. So Sagittarius, if you're sitting on your ass and not making a move because you don't want to get hurt, like you clearly see all the red flags but you don't want to walk away because you feel that if I will acknowledge that this person is toxic and if I will walk away, it's going to hurt me, and because of that you're not making a move, universe is now going to kick your ass to make you make that move. All right, your life is basically going to turn 180 degrees. So whatever is it presently right now, it's going to turn, and I see from the stagnation finally the life is going to pick pace. You have been hanging in there in a situation for quite some time. Exactly. See, Ace of Wands. This is exactly what you want. The push that you had been waiting for such a long time because of the stagnation happening in your life. Like you lately feel that the spark is missing in your life. Like a new surge of energy is missing in your life. That is exactly what universe is going to give into you. So I see a new beginning coming into your life. That missing spark is going to come back into your life, and you are going to feel very energetic and very optimistic and enthusiastic once again. So whatever has been draining you will not be draining you any longer, and I see there's going to be an end of a toxic cycle and it is going to lead to a beautiful new beginning. So get ready for a new beginning in the month of November. Whatever toxicity you had not been releasing since now till now, universe is going to kick your butt to make you make the move. Something new is coming in, and I see it's going to give you a lot of clarity. It's going to finally give you that push that you had been waiting for. It's going to finally make you do the work. King of Pentacles, this is beautiful. I see something. See, from 5 of Pentacles, you're going to King of Pentacles. So this is also monetary abundance. Some of you very well knew what you can do to improve your money, maybe to start a new business, to take up a new job, or to maybe learn a new skill or whatever, but you had been prolonging it for some time for whatever reason, but finally you will be stepping up, and that is actually going to step up your life as well. Some of you, I also feel that there could be a significant male that might step into your life, and this person might help you with your money or your stability in life. So there could be somebody who's coming in to help you. This could be a father figure, or could be a boss, or somebody who's like much mature than you, and they will be a guiding force in your life is what I see. So just be open to receive help. All right, so I see that this reading is screaming for you to go after your goals and not stagnate your life any further. All right, you have been doing it for some time. You have been putting your life on hold for something or someone. Stop doing that to yourself. All right. Let's see this person's energy that you were dealing with, Sagittarius. What is this person's energy towards Sagittarius? Ace of Swords. What? Oh my God. Somebody wants to step in and want to give you some sort of clarity. So if the communication had been blocked between you and someone, this person now wants to reach out to you and they want to have like a mutual conversation, like not conversation, settlement. Yeah, mutual agreement kind of thing. Somebody wants to just like sit with you and talk out your differences and see on which mutual grounds you guys can get on the same page. All right, so somebody's looking for a mutual agreement with you, like they just want to sit and sort out things with you. And this person might have been blocking you since some time. Some of you tried to make things happen with them, but they were just blocking it. This person might be in your block list. You might be in their block list. I don't know. Something about deleting blocking is also very significant here. And your relationship has been going through a turmoil with this person, but now they want to offer you the clarity is what I feel. What was the obstacle with this person in the past? Ten of Cups. Maybe some of you, the obstacle was that this person's family was getting involved, or maybe this person was just, like they were just very busy enjoying their own life, and they were just like, like how they were struggling, and then when they reached to a stable position, they were just busy enjoying their life, and they did not wanted to make you a part of their celebration. So this person got egotistical, and they were just thinking about themselves. All right, so that could have been a problem. Some of you, the problem is that this person's family is very orthodox and conservative, and they're very scared to tell their family about you, or maybe they already told and there has been a backlash. Some of you, this person just prioritizes work over you or money over you, so that has been a problem. Something was keeping this person very busy, either family or their work, and they were just not giving you the time. And maybe they also got involved a lot of other people, friends or family, into the situation, and then it just further became very chaotic. Some of you, your family got involved, and like a lot of people, a lot of opinions got involved is what I see, making the situation very, very complicated. However, now I feel this person wants to give you some sort of clarity. What's the advice for Sagittarius in this situation with this person? Page of Swords, be alert. Sagittarius, your advice is to, if you want to hear what this person has to say to you right now, just be alert that you don't take your heart and leave your brain behind, all right? If you're going to see what this person got to tell you, just take your brain along with you, all right? So that's your advice. Some of you, you really need to be a little skeptical of what this person is trying to tell you now, because they clearly ghosted you, right? So now when they are coming back, be careful of what their agenda is. Don't try to close your eyes and trust this person is what I would say to you. Some of you really need to be acting more logical. Six of Swords, see? You need to be more intellectual, more logical this time. Like, don't try to take decisions from your heart, but use your brain as well. Some of you really need to take care of your life, like bring back your life on track. You have been spoiling your opportunities, career, financial situation because of this person. Get back on track. If your life is stable, everything else falls back into place, right? But if your personal life is fucked up, like your career and finance is fucked up, love is not going to pay your bills, all right? So just be careful of that. You really need to prioritize yourself. Page of Wands. And also some of you, you have started working on a project, or you want to work on a project, you have something in your mind, you want to work towards something, but you keep, putting that on hold for some time. It could be a new career thing, new project, a new skill or whatever. If you have a goal or a plan in your mind, take the risk and go for it, all right? Don't try to put your things on hold just because you want your relationship to sort out. We are the Wheel of Fortune. Again, your life is about to turn, and I see that your life has been on the lower end for some time, but finally with the Wheel of Fortune, I see things are going to turn for better. Some of you also have two people, so you will have to choose between two people. They could be a fire sign or a water sign, or an air sign or a water sign or fire sign. I don't know. There could be like two opportunities in love, like multiple people coming in towards you, and you can finally decide who you want to give this a chance. Judgment. Finally, this reading is screaming that a decision needs to be made. Whatever you have been putting on hold finally needs to be addressed. You cannot put things on hold and move forward in life. When somebody is coming in towards you, you're going to be a little skeptical about them, and you should, all right? Be a little alert when you go and meet this person. Like, take your brain with you. Give me message for Sagittarius, please. Message. It's time to take action. Wasn't this the same thing that I was telling you, that your life has been stagnant for some time, and now finally it's time that you take an action? Like, don't put your life on hold for someone. If there is a career thing that you have on your mind and you want to go for it, go for it. If you want to open yourself up to love, go for it. If you like whatever the fuck you want to do, just go for it. All right, it's finally it's finally time to take action. Confidence is your key. Yeah, some of you've been very underconfident lately because of this situation, and you know, like Sagittarius being underconfident is first of all very funny to hear, because I feel Sagittarius people are very confident in themselves already, but maybe, you know, sometimes situations happen in life which make you break. So some of you, your message is just realize that you're a fucking Sagittarius and you cannot be underconfident, and tap into your confidence, because confidence is going to take you forward, right? New love. Some of you definitely, I see a new love opportunity. As I already said, you have multiple options, 2 people maybe to choose from. For others of you, this past person is coming like a new love. Like love is going to enter your life for sure. Now you want to take it or not is a different thing, but love is showing up in your life is what I feel. And religious factors, as I already said, that there could be somebody who's from a different culture, community background, or family, or their religion, or something is a problem that is not letting you guys be. And that's the whole chaos that has been happening in your connection. Regardless, I see a new love opportunity coming towards you. So yeah, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe. Bye.